Hello, my name is David Attenborough, and welcome back to another episode of Natural History. Here we are. We have the hood creature. His territory is not good enough, and he has no food, so he must go to scavenge for other things. The fussy Miss Trussie is also very hungry as well, so she will eat a fish that she got from the lake. But as for the hood creature, has nothing. So the fussy Miss Trussie is very sensitive about her food. And then it looks like something is going on around here. Fighting. The fussy Miss Trussie has lots of food, but the hood creature has not. The fussy Miss Trussie has decided to kill this hood creature, but nothing. So the hood creature seems to be backing off. What's this? It looks like the fussy Miss Trussie is denying and stopping. It seems like the fussy Miss Trussie is giving up on the hood creature. It seems like the fussy Miss Trussie is giving up on catching him. So the hood creature goes home. The fussy Miss Trussie has won. She's badly injured, but not as badly as her hood creature. The hood creature may try tomorrow, but from now, good night. Night, it is in the jungle, and here is the hood creature. We've recorded this special bit because we think that something's going to happen. The fussy Miss Trussie is currently asleep. This is the time for the hood creature to actually get a meal today. The fussy Miss Trussie is very good in hearing. It looks like he's getting a good meal. The fussy Miss Trussie is awake, but he does not know it yet. He seems like behind the large fish, but the fussy Miss Trussie is way more smarter than that. The hood creature is not running away yet, but they are fighting. This time, the fussy Miss Trussie is not going to give the hood creature a chance. The hood creature is badly injured, and unfortunately, is bleeding badly. What makes it even worse, the fussy Miss Trussie scratched her, and then she decided to give him one last chance. But the only thing that's wrong in that, the hood creature may die tonight. He limps home very, very badly. But the fussy Miss Trussie seems to be taking over his territory. The hood creature has nowhere to go. He must sleep in a tree nearby. The fussy Miss Trussie goes home. We'll continue with these pack tomorrow. Day 2 in the jungle. Today, hopefully, the hood creature will try to take back his territory that he was once called home. But the fussy Miss Trussie has now got the territory and is guarding it carefully. The hood creature is ready to eat, but yet very still injured. He's incredibly thirsty, and as you can see, the fussy Miss Trussie has a lake around it, or a small river. The fussy Miss Trussie is not happy in using the water. The hood creature runs away in complete desire. The fussy Miss Trussie scares away the hood creature, but does not attack it. The fussy Miss Trussie knows its injuries and gives it one last chance. The last chance will probably be death. The hood creature hugs its tree once again. But the hood creature wants it back to its territory. So while the fussy Miss Trussie is distracted, he runs over to it for one last battle. Or it could be just a battle that will be won or be lost. The fossil monstrosity is spotted the hood creature and it went to pounce. The fossil monstrosity's injuries in the leg is fatal. Now she cannot run. Now she cannot run. The hood creature is extremely injured. He crawls in desire, scratches on his back, on his face. The fossil monstrosity leaves him alone to rot and burn and die. What's this? The hood creature seems to be still alive. With a few more gasps of air, he breathes. If he can get back to his tree, he may be healed and recovered. The fossil monstrosity does not like this. But, using his last energy, he must do what he's designed to do. Kill other creatures. The fossil monstrosity is badly injured in the stomach. But unfortunately, the fossil monstrosity is the overall predator. The hood creature is dead. The fossil monstrosity was a grown fossil monstrosity, and that was a young one, only just growing up. Natural history. Da-da. The credits are David Attenborough and Jimmy Pie Hall and Sophie Dum Dum and me as the editor person and the sky. Round of applause. Yes.